AI. It's everywhere these days, but what is it? How did it come to be such an integral part of our lives? Simply put, AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks can range from simple calculations to complex decision-making processes. Think learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. The concept of AI isn't new. In fact, the idea of creating machines that can think dates back to ancient myths and legends. It's been around for decades. Early pioneers in the field laid the groundwork for what we see today. The term artificial intelligence was coined back in 1956. This marked the beginning of a new era in technology. Early AI research focused on developing systems that could play games like checkers and chess. These games were seen as benchmarks for human intelligence. Over time, AI research progressed. Scientists and researchers began to explore new areas and applications for AI. Scientists developed new algorithms and techniques. These innovations allowed AI to tackle more complex problems and tasks. These advances led to the development of more sophisticated AI systems. Today, AI can perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These systems can now perform complex tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. They can understand and interpret human language, recognize faces, and even drive cars. Today, AI is used in a wide range of industries. From manufacturing to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing the way we do business. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming how we live and work. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud and make investment decisions. But with this rapid advancement comes a big question. What are the ethical implications of AI? How will it impact our jobs and our society? What does the future hold for humans in an AI-driven world? As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our lives, we must consider these questions and work towards a future where AI benefits all of humanity.
AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's here, and it's making its presence felt in workplaces across the globe. From small startups to large corporations, AI is being integrated into various processes to streamline operations and drive innovation. Industries from healthcare to manufacturing are harnessing AI's power to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and even enhance customer service. The potential applications of AI are vast and varied, touching nearly every aspect of business operations. In healthcare, AI is playing an increasingly vital role. It's not just about automating administrative tasks. AI is fundamentally changing how medical professionals diagnose and treat patients. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer. These systems use advanced algorithms to identify patterns and anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. They can also personalize treatment plans and even assist with surgery. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can recommend the most effective treatment options tailored to individual patients. AI is helping doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. This saves lives by enabling earlier intervention and more precise treatment. The integration of AI in healthcare is leading to better patient outcomes and more efficient use of medical resources. The financial industry is another sector being transformed by AI. Financial institutions are leveraging AI to enhance their services and improve security. Banks and financial institutions are using AI for fraud detection and risk assessment. AI algorithms can analyze transaction patterns to identify suspicious activities and potential threats. AI-powered chatbots are also being used to provide customer service and answer questions. These chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, from account information to financial advice. This frees up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. By handling routine inquiries, AI chatbots allow staff to dedicate their time to more strategic and high-value activities. Manufacturing is also feeling the impact of AI. The integration of AI technologies is revolutionizing production processes and supply chain management. Robots powered by AI are now commonplace on factory floors. These robots are designed to work alongside human workers, enhancing productivity and safety. They perform repetitive tasks like welding and assembly. By taking over these monotonous tasks, AI robots reduce the physical strain on human workers and minimize the risk of errors. This improves efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. AI systems can monitor production lines in real time, making adjustments to optimize performance and ensure quality. AI is also being used to optimize supply chains and predict maintenance needs. By analyzing data from various sources, AI can forecast demand, manage inventory, and schedule maintenance before issues arise, preventing costly downtime and disruptions.
Let's address the elephant in the room, the fear that robots are coming for our jobs. The reality is that AI will inevitably lead to changes in the job market. Some roles are more susceptible to automation than others. Jobs that involve repetitive, rule-based tasks are most at risk. Think factory workers, truck drivers, and data entry clerks. These tasks can be easily automated using AI-powered systems. This could lead to job displacement in these sectors.
But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI might replace some jobs, it will also create new ones. The key is to understand which skills will be in high demand in an AI-driven economy.
The rise of AI presents a double-edged sword when it comes to jobs. On one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, making processes more efficient and reducing the need for human intervention in repetitive tasks. This can lead to significant cost savings for businesses and increased productivity. While it's true that some jobs will be lost to automation, AI will also create new opportunities. For every job that is automated, there is the potential for new roles to be created in the AI ecosystem. These new roles may require different skill sets, but they offer the promise of more engaging and fulfilling work. The key is to adapt and acquire the skills needed to thrive in this evolving job market. Continuous learning and upskilling will be essential for workers to stay relevant. Educational institutions and training programs will play a crucial role in preparing the workforce for these changes. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees up humans to focus on more complex and creative work. This shift can lead to greater job satisfaction and innovation as people are able to dedicate their time to tasks that require critical thinking and creativity. This will lead to the emergence of new roles in fields like AI development, data science, and AI ethics. These roles will be crucial in shaping the future of AI and ensuring that it is used responsibly and ethically.
For example, as AI systems become more sophisticated, there will be a growing need for AI trainers and explainers. These individuals will be responsible for teaching AI systems how to perform tasks and ensuring that they understand human instructions accurately. These professionals will bridge the gap between humans and machines. They will play a vital role in making sure that AI systems are user-friendly and can be easily integrated into various industries. They'll ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values and operate ethically. This includes addressing concerns about privacy, bias, and the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways.
Moreover, AI will fuel innovation and economic growth, leading to the creation of new industries and job opportunities that we can't even imagine yet. The potential for AI to drive advancements in healthcare, transportation, and other sectors is immense. Just as the internet revolutionized the way we live and work, AI has the potential to do the same, if not more. The impact of AI could be even more profound, transforming not just industries but also the very nature of work and human interaction. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, and it is up to us to navigate this new landscape wisely.